Hi guys, Kevin again and welcome back to another Kevs review video. As you know by now, I'm sure that when I review and product test the kit that I use, it's all been extensively used out in the field for at least 12 months, and in this case these have probably had 2.5 years out in the field. So this is the Life Venture Titanium KFS, or the knife, fork and spoon. It's a nice little set. It comes with a titanium carabiner. It did come with a little velcro fastener to stop them jangling about, obviously if you're carrying them on the outside of your bergan or anything like that, but I've lost mine to the forest floor. These are Duke of Edinburgh approved recommended kit. The combined weight for everything was 55 grams. The 190 centimetres 190 millimeters long or 19 centimeters. They are billed as 50 wide, but I think they're only about 35-40 and 20 width. But obviously that's from there to there. They're only about 2 or 3 mil thick, not the 20 millimeters. Now I've gone with these because I see many people just go out ultralight camping with just the sporks. I hate sporks, you know. They're the Marmite of the outdoor community. You either love them or you hate them, and I'm definitely in team hate for sporks. One, they always cut the inside of my mouth whenever I'm using them. Even the metal ones, the titanium ones, I don't think are any good. You can never cut a bit of steak up with them, or you struggle to butter a bit of bread or anything like that. So I call them the devil diggers. I hate the sporks. So for 55 grams and what little space that takes up, it's knife, fork and spoon all the way for me. So yeah, these are bomb proof. Like I say, I've had them for a few years now. They've been left out overnight accidentally. They've been trod on. They've been tucked in the bottom of the pack. They've had a bit of food on, you know. They are titanium, but they have polished ends for where you're eating. But yeah, solid, awesome piece of kit. Gonna give these a 10 out of 10 for sure. Definitely recommend these over any sort of sporks or any stupid thing that's only really recommended for pot noodles. Yeah, big massive 10 out of 10. Like I say, they do come with a strap. I've lost it, so they won't jangle. Ultra light. Get these over pot noodle diggers. Let's be real. Cheapest I've found these is I think $17.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. With that said, I'll catch you in the next video, guys.